How to update your Aadhar card phone number. You can easily update your Aadhar card phone number. Here is how. Watch the video carefully. If you commit even a single mistake, this method of updating your Aadhar card won't work. First of all, you need to visit this website. I have given the link to the website in the description. Now log in using your Aadhar registered mobile number on which you will receive the OTP. Enter the CAPTCHA shown above and click on Send OTP. The OTP is sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and click on Submit OTP and Proceed button. Enter the name and Aadhar card number, do not make any mistake here. Verify once and scroll down. You will see the list of options where you will find mobile number. Tick the box and click on Proceed button. Please be careful with this pop-up caution. It says you cannot modify or edit later if you make any spelling error. So verify and proceed. At the Update Mobile Number part, you will see the Edit button. Click on it, erase the old number and enter the new number. Enter the CAPTCHA and click on Send OTP. This time you will receive the OTP to the new mobile number. If you do not receive the OTP, enter Resend OTP button. Final step is to save and proceed. Tick mark the disclosure and submit the request. Here you go, your Aadhar card number is updated. If you find this video useful and want such videos back to back, then like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.